आत्म नमस्ते। कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप बहुत रोए हो, रो रो के हाल बुरा है, सराउंडिंग्स में कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन आप अंदर से बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हो। Many a times there have been that we feel very sorrowful and we cry. And then with that crying, something switches, something changes within us, and we start feeling better. And there is a very beautiful reason for it. Come, let me share that with you today. Sadness is a very strong emotion that we often hide. बचपन से हमें सिखाया जाता है कि अपना दुख अपने पास रखो. We put a very brave face. We are absolutely fine when we are hurt. We suppress our emotions. कई बार जब हमें कोई हर्ट कर जाता है, हम वो रिश्ता बचाने के लिए चुप रह जाते हैं. कई बार हमें ये भी कहा जाता है कि सैडनेस इज अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस. But sadness is actually a gift. It is a way of releasing what we bottle up within us. वो एक वाल्व की तरह है, एन इमोशनल ओपनिंग. जहाँ हमने वो ओपन किया और हमने अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस किया, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग मच बेटर. When you feel sad about something, know that it is because that thing really matters to you. So पहली चीज़ तो sadness हमें ये बताती है कि क्या हमारे लिए important है और क्या नहीं. And I would call sadness as an emotional detox. Okay, it helps you clear through the emotions that you hold very strongly and deeply within yourself. When sadness as an emotion appears, you want to be left alone. शायद से आपको कोई नहीं चाहिए, मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Oftenly we say that, right? There's so much of heaviness कि हम ही नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि what is triggering us, what are we carrying. थकान फील होती है, बहुत लो फील करते हैं. And trust me, all of this is very, very normal. Now, while I say sadness is normal, what do we do? Many a times दुख सहन करते 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 हम numb हो जाते हैं. And we start distancing ourselves from that particular person or the situation जो हमें बार बार hurt करता है, जो हमें बार बार दुख महसूस कराता है. Or we simply suppress it. But trust me, suppressing sadness or running away from it is not the solution. Sadness needs to be accepted and addressed. If we don't do this, then sadness appears in the form of acute depression, nervous breakdown, and very often we go numb, we go emotionless. So if you feel sad, acknowledge your sorrow. You are an emotional being, human being, yani emotional being. Don't run away from your emotions. Acknowledge it, accept it. Let me take you through a 4-step methodology to heal sadness. Firstly, when you feel sad, pause. You don't need to fix yourself. You don't need to do something about it. You just need to connect with yourself and acknowledge that you're feeling sad. Second, feel the sorrow. It is okay to feel sadness. It is okay to feel sad. Just be with yourself. Just be in that moment and feel sad without carrying any guilt of feeling sad. Step 3. When we feel sadness, it actually consumes a lot of energy. It's दुख carry करना हमें बहुत ज़्यादा थका देता है. So when you are carrying that energy, the best thing for you is rest. If you feel कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी फील कर रहे हो किसी बात के लिए या किसी इंसान के प्रति, you should just go off to sleep. Take rest. Give your body physical rest. Give yourself mental rest. Just be with your own self by resting. Step 4. Share it with somebody whom you can trust. शायद से the person whom you trust only is the person who is the reason of your pain and sorrow. But no problem. Share it with someone whom you can trust. Share it with someone who can listen to you. Share it with someone who can understand you. And many a times I know people come and say, we have no one like this in our life. Then the best friend is your pen and paper. Take a pen, take a paper, and write down what you're feeling. Write your sorrow down. Write the pain down. Sometimes just having a conversation or pouring your feelings out brings the necessary shift. You start feeling better. You start coming out from the space of sorrow, from the space of sadness. And this kind of a release is real release. Okay, so I will also be sharing with you a tapping session. Whenever you feel very sorrowful, you should go and follow that tapping session along with me. So, if you are keen on it, feel free to ask in the comments and I will share the link with you. But over and above that tapping, on the go, whenever you feel that sorrow has hit you, this is the affirmation that you should chant. Placing your right hand at the center of your chest, gently tap and tell yourself, it is okay to feel sad. I allow myself permission to feel this, and I choose to move towards peace. And I choose to move towards peace. Do this tap, one line tap, pausing, connecting with yourself. Do it several times on the go, and you will see that you're able to deal with your sadness in a more constructive manner. If there is any other emotion you are struggling with us at the moment, do feel free to share it with me in the comment and I will help you decode it. And if you feel that there is someone who really needs to hear this, feel free to share it. Like it, subscribe it, stay on this. I'm going to decode several more emotions for you. But if there is something that you need on priority, write to me. I will be more than happy to address it on priority. And don't forget to check out the tapping session whenever you feel sad, whenever you feel sorrow, whenever you feel heaviness. Let that be your go-to to balance your emotion in a right manner. Up until then, inhale, blessings always, exhale, gratitude at all times. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and keep smiling always.